Hey, what's up, trucking world? All right, so for those of y'all that don't know, this is a 2016 Freightliner Cascadia DD13. So in order to turn your bunk heater on, if you didn't know, you just turn this on. You see it says economy, and then it's a park button. So I actually push this park button. Starts blowing out both of my vents. Okay, so I had spoke with the mechanic, and over the phone he said might not be that big of a deal. He said if you don't run, he said his suggestion is that you run your unit at least once a week. He said it's a bad way of burning the diesel, and sometimes it can get clogged up. This is actually an S-bar heater. Oh, there you go. There it goes right there. So I looked up a couple videos. Nobody really said nothing. I don't know if you can see it. It's the black unit right there on the other side of the red electrical wire. So he said to let it run about a good hour, and I should be running it once a week. It is still pumping heat in there, and my cousin had got one done in his, and it was almost $2,000. So let's hope that just letting it run and do the trick. Actually, when I did it before, it started smoking. And it's usually not that loud. See if you get the white smoke coming out. I don't know if you can see it. A little bit of white smoke coming out. So maybe it's just burning the diesel. Let's hope. There goes another look of the S-bar heater. It's right there. You see the pipe going into the heater? That's the S-bar heater. And we don't want that to go out. $2,000 part right there. Okay, it's smoking good right now. I'm just gonna let it run, and hope that solves the problem. If not, I'll keep you posted. But for anybody that didn't know, S-bar heater is like $2,000 for this Freightliner Cascadia. So I'm hoping that's not the problem. Let's see if the heat's still pumping in here. Doesn't smell bad in here. It's pumping pretty good. It's definitely not stopping the heat. And I just changed my wiper blades. That's some pretty nice ones. They won't sell at Freightliner for $5 a piece. So I picked up also picked up a spare and replaced the one. Heavy duty windshield wiper alignment. Let's see. Mine's is 24-inch. The Freightliner Cascadia, 24-inch wiper blades. All right. No issues. It's running pretty good. I'll keep y'all posted. It's always something. So my bunk heater, my APU unit, just turned it on so I could do a little bit of minor work inside, and it just starts smoking and a clicking sound once it warms up. Listen, it sounds like it's coming from where this exhaust pipe goes into that right there. So I got somebody coming over to check it out, let me know what's going on. It's always something. Let's see. This right there, let's see if it starts clicking again. I just turned the unit on. Oh, there's the clicking go. Sounds like it's definitely coming from that right there. My guess is a starter. It is a little small engine. Let's see. There you go. But since I'm no mechanic, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off until I get a real mechanic to look at it. I do some stuff in the truck, but that's not one of them. Hopefully it don't cost too much. Everything in the truck's expensive, but gotta keep the truck running. So, on another note, I really came to install these lights on the truck so that I can, and then that happened. I'll keep you posted, let you know what's going on. Alright, so we about to check out the unit. See what's going on. Hopefully it's running smooth. Don't sound good to me. It's still, he said that clicking sound could be it burning off the diesel, like, you know, or pumping it through. Ain't looking good. Looks like might just be easier to. It's warm in here though. Like hot. No. Let me see. Can you hear it from out here? Vaguely. See, that's the bad part of it, because it's like new unit. You don't really have to worry about the issue. My bad. Y'all remember that song? Yeah, I think I'm not going. We're gonna have to get the new unit. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give it a week. See if it just, if it's clogged, maybe I could try to get somebody to try to clean it out first. Then if I gotta spend the money, I might as well do it, because if you spend $150 in labor for somebody, like, you know, just to clean it out, as opposed to $2,000 for the part and then labor. So, you know, but I need my heater working. You know, I'll be having a little family in here. So I gotta have this working. Alright, so hey man, I guess it is what it is sometimes. But back to the song. Maybe I'll play another song. You might like the deck. I know I'm waiting on the ring to come around. I just threw that in there. Let's go there. That's The Weeknd. That's a singing song. Shouldn't nobody be mad at no singing song. Okay, so I had my cousin turn his bunk heater on, his APU unit, and his S-bar heater, and you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it, but it does click very quietly. Mine's just clicking a little loud. And I'm gonna show you his pipe. That's his pipe. See, he had to get a new unit. That's how I know it's $2,000. So let's hope that. Now let's go back and see what's going on with mine. When I originally came over here so that we can install these lights, now I'm just hoping I don't have a $2,000 problem, not including labor. All right, it's not smoking anymore, so maybe it is cycling through the diesel. But if you notice, mine's is clicking louder than his. I shouldn't be turning the camera like that, because in order to watch the video, y'all gotta go like this. Sorry about that. I'll make sure I keep that in mind next time. All right, well, till next time, I'll talk to y'all. Be safe. Later.